Ever spent hours tweaking prompts only to get inconsistent results? Traditional methods leave AI practitioners stuck in trial and error purgatory. No structured way to leverage chain of thought reasoning or few shot learning. Our pack delivers battle tested frameworks for logical reasoning templates, customizable few shot blueprints with context aware embeddings, quantitative evaluation metrics tracking coherence and task fidelity, and iterative optimization workflows integrating gradient guided prompt refinement. This is for AI engineers, ML researchers, data scientists, and prompt architects who need enterprise grade tooling. Spoiler alert, it works better than yelling at your GPU. Here's what's inside the prompt engineering pack: chain of thought frameworks with stepwise reasoning validation, customizable few shot blueprints featuring semantic clustering for example selection, multi axis evaluation metrics measuring fluency, factuality, and logical consistency, optimization workflows with A B testing, harnesses, and prompt mutation trees. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform chaotic prompt hacking into systematic engineering. Installing the prompt engineering pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add prompt engineering pack. That's it. You get the complete workflow: chain of thought frameworks, evaluation toolkits, optimization playbooks, and 12 production grade templates. Your next Claude code session automatically recognizes the tooling. Your AI assistant gains advanced prompt diagnostics, context aware template suggestions, and optimization pathways. Warning: may cause existential dread in traditional prompt engineers. Start engineering prompts that work the first time.